To make a Cash App account on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store and searching for Cash App. Tap the Get button next to the Cash App icon. Then tap Install to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address to sign up for a new account. Enter your phone number or email address and tap Next. You will then receive a verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter the verification code and tap Next. You will be asked to create a username, also known as a $hashtag, which will be used to identify your account. Choose a unique username and tap Next. You will then be asked to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card to your Cash App account. You can do this by tapping the Link Bank button and following the prompts to enter your account information. After linking your account, you will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. This information is used to verify your identity and comply with financial regulations. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be able to use your Cash App account to send and receive money, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and access other financial services. To protect your account, make sure to set up a PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID to secure your account. It is also a good idea to review the terms and conditions of the Cash App and understand the fees associated with using the service. By following these steps, you can easily create a Cash App account on your iPhone and start using it to manage your finances.